Hi all. 2020 is finally done. Now we're beginning with 2021. And it was a terrible year for many of us. I've heard people talk about 2020 as the worst year, as a cursed year, as a traumatic year. And we all are looking forward to this next year. But if you ask me, this may not be the worst year for all of us because there are people who have suffered more. Spare a thought for people who have lived through the war zones. Think of people who have survived hunger, joblessness, even without the COVID times. Think of people who survive human trafficking, who are victims of brutal crimes. Think of Ebola victims, AIDS victims. So to call 2020 as the worst year may be right for some of us who have not seen the difficulties and challenges earlier. But the people who have been suffering right through the beginning, spare a thought about them. What 2020 COVID times taught us was not to take our lives for granted, not to take our comforts for granted as entitlements. If I look back, the last 60, 70 years, by and large, have been the most peaceful years of our world in the recent times. After the World War, when everything was devastated, the world got together and rebuilt our own economies, our countries, and it worked fine. But something was not right in the model that we had followed. The economy was slowing down across the world. Conflicts had begun in quite a bit of flared up positions that people had taken, countries had taken, starting from 1980s. What the COVID did was accelerate the process towards making some of our older models irrelevant. Economies had problems, country security had problems. Technology is going through a phase of rapid transformation. The COVID made all of this even faster. Yes, it was a very troubled year. Yes, it was a traumatic year. But I think there is something that we have to learn from. How people react, how people choose to make options in times when they are in crisis tells a lot about who we are as people. What people do when they're changed with challenges of extreme nature tells us about who we are and what we value. COVID times taught that to us. Countries locked down. We stopped sharing our resources. We stopped sharing data. It's all a mad fight about who gets the vaccine first. We didn't care about the migrants. We have been insensitive about communities and how probably they were responsible for some of the flare-ups. We didn't care about the economy. We didn't care about people losing their jobs. And in the future, if you ask me, this pandemic may not be the last. The way we have been ravaging our environment, the way we have been destroying forests, I pray I'm wrong, but I think there is more to come. This COVID time tells us something about cooperation. It's very important to have leadership. It's very important to have societies, to countries who can sit together and take necessary actions towards solving these problems. COVID times was a huge learning in another way too. It's about a personal thing, about adaptation. Things will change dramatically from now on. Be it technology, be it economy, be it environment, policies, be it issues related to jobs. All of us have to be ready for dramatic transformations. Learn to adapt, learn to innovate, learn to survive and become resilient. I think that is a huge learning for all of us. And this whole initiative of self-reliance, Atmanirbhar, I think it's a nice idea, a very relevant idea. It remains to be seen how we take it forward. We have to be resilient. It's utopian to think of societies and countries helping each other, but the COVID times told us something different. So we have to be, as far as possible, self-reliant. And the guys, I'm not addressing the UPSC civil services aspirants alone, all the youth. In many ways, I personally believe that you have solutions. You will come up with more innovative solutions. But what we need is education. Don't stop learning. Don't stop joining courses. Don't stop applying. Don't stop innovating. Education perhaps is our way forward. Yes, COVID was not easy. It was a tough challenge to something that we were not very prepared for. COVID was difficult in many ways, totally unprecedented, something we have not seen or lived. But there is something that it told us. It was a kind of mirror who we are as a society. So Happy New Year to all of you, wishing you a great future. But let this learning be not lost on us. Take care, keep studying, keep dreaming, and keep helping. Thank you.